Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone and enabling Always on Display. First, make sure battery saver is off and you have at least 10% charge so features aren't restricted. Once done, install any pending One UI or system updates to get the latest AOD options. Now go to Settings, tap Lock Screen, and choose Always on Display. You're making the base changes that enable customization and prevent interruptions, so follow each step in order before moving to layout and timing. Next, focus on what appears and when. Choose a style, clock, wallpaper, or app info, and preview it so you understand spacing and contrast. Then set the display schedule, always on, tap to show, or a custom start and end time to save battery during off hours. Adjust brightness and the show while charging toggle to control power use. Make sure to test contrast against your wallpaper. If it's low, pick a higher contrast face so information stays readable at a glance. Finally, set advanced options like double tap to wake or auto wake gestures so the screen appears when you need it. If Always on Display doesn't show, reboot the phone first, then clear the settings app cache and check for device admin or battery optimizer apps that may block AOD. Make sure AOD isn't restricted by sleep schedules or power modes. If a recent update broke features, toggle AOD off and on, then restart. That simple reset often restores proper function and settings retain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.